Hi, good morning, grade 3. This is Mr. Al again. And how are you today? I hope you guys all in a good condition at home. So, today we are going to learn about art and then we will talk about these two important things. The first one is we talk about positive, and the second one we talk about negative. So, basically, we are discussing about positive and negative in terms of art form. Okay, if you can see that in my slide, I put the two vase flowers. Some of the flowers on the left, my left side, this one, is using black. They color all the flowers and the vase using black, and then they leave the background with white. And at the other side, they put the vase with white, and then they put also the flowers with white, and they color all the background with black. So basically, to understand the positive and negative, just simply like this. Positive means that the object, the main object that exposed in the drawing. And then if we're talking about the negative, it means that the background, the supporting element at the back. Okay? If you can see that in my slide, I put the vase, this one, the black vase and the black flower will be the main object, right? So we can call that this one, the vase and the flower is a positive, and the white area is the negative. But in the other case, we can say that the object, this one, because we see that the main object is the vase again, but the different color with white, we can say that the positive in this drawing is the face and the flower, the white one, and then the background will be black. I mean that the background which is covered with black, we call it negative. So whenever the things that you see as the main object, we call it positive. So whenever you see that it is at the back or at the supporting element as a background, we call that things is a negative. So depends on what you see. Okay, no matter what the color, if you see that this black vase is black, even though that this one is black and this one is white, but still the vase and the flower is the main object, we call it this one positive. And the last one, the background, will be the negative one, even though that colors are different. This one is white, this one is black, but still, if you see that the vase and the flower as a main object, so the background will be negative and the vase will be positive. Okay, so I give you example, and later I want you to read the instruction through Google Classroom. Actually, I write down very clearly the instruction. The first one is you need to grab some paper. You can use any kind of paper. Can be like this kind of paper. You know that maybe you have a lot of things at the back, but you still can use the back side, right? Or you can just grab some book like this, and then suddenly you found that the back side is still empty. You can draw at the back of your book later on then. All right, grab your paper like this, and then draw a square or rectangle like this, a square or rectangle like this, and then you need to draw the object inside the frame, inside the rectangle or inside the rectangle. Okay, choose between the object and which one is the object, which one is the main object, and which one is the background. Then you can color the object with black or white. It's up to you. Just think about the opposite. If you choose the object as a black, so you have to color the background with white. Or if you choose the background as a white, black, you can choose you can draw color just leave the color, the main object white, black or white, something like that. Okay, just the opposite one. Okay, as you can see on the slide, this one is a face. This is a nice example for you. You see my cursor here, I pointing on the black face and then the flowers and then this kind of things. And I also have a lot of example if you want to see. This is the face. If you need, if you want to make it a little bit more creative, you can draw the face with black, but the flower with white, or maybe this kind of thing. If you, yeah, like this is a tree, and then the roots, as you can see that the stem and the root are the same, I mean different. They put the upper side with white background, and the background at the down they at the bottom side they color the background with black, and then the tree they leave it white, something like this. So be creative with your own ideas. Just try to find something to draw and use your imagination. What is that? And then you just draw. For example, you want to draw a fish with only an empty space at the back, so you just draw the fish. Okay, if you don't understand really exactly what is a positive and negative, you can just watch the video that I put in the Google Classroom. You just click it, you will understand later on, hopefully. All right, if you have any question, you know how to do it. You just click the meeting to discussing room, and we can discuss later on through Google Hangout. Okay, good luck for you guys, and I will be waiting for your artwork right away. Right away after you're done, you just help. Please take photos of you and your drawing, or maybe your drawing only, and send it to me through Google Classroom. Thank you so much, and I will be waiting for your artwork. Bye bye.